Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop, a powerhouse built for gaming, content creation, and high-performance computing. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or need a system that can handle intensive workloads, this PC has the specs to deliver. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Fire, performance that packs a punch. At the heart of the MSI Aegis Z2 is the AMD Ryzen R7-7700 processor, offering incredible multi-core performance. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU is designed for smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications at once, this processor won't slow you down. Paired with 16GB DDR5 RAM, you get blazing fast speeds and ultra-smooth performance. DDR5 is a game changer, offering better bandwidth and power efficiency, ensuring you get low latency and fast load times for all your applications. Video game, next-level graphics with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. For gamers, the GeForce RTX 4060 brings exceptional 1080p and 1440p gaming performance with ray tracing and DLSS 3 support. This means realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections that make your favorite games look breathtaking. Some of the key benefits of the RTX 4060 include white check mark, DLSS 3 AI-powered upscaling for higher frame rates. White check mark, ray tracing for ultra-realistic graphics. White check mark, 8GB VRAM for handling high-resolution textures. White check mark, efficient cooling for long gaming sessions. Whether you're into AAA titles, esports, or VR gaming, this GPU is a fantastic choice. High voltage sign, speed and storage, say goodbye to load times. With a 1TB M.2 SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times, quick game loads, and smooth application performance. No more waiting around for levels to load, just jump straight into the action. If you're storing a lot of games, media files, or projects, the expansion options allow you to easily upgrade storage when needed. Branch, built for customization, DIY-friendly. One of the best things about the MSI Aegis Z2 is its DIY-friendly design. If you're someone who loves to upgrade and customize your PC, you'll appreciate. Small blue diamond, spacious chassis for adding extra storage, RAM, or cooling. Small blue diamond, easy access panels for quick upgrades. Small blue diamond, optimized airflow to keep components cool during intense gaming sessions. Plus, with an 80+ Gold PSU, you get efficient and stable power delivery, ensuring your system runs smoothly without overheating or power fluctuations. Satellite antenna, connectivity and extras. The MSI Aegis Z2 comes packed with essential features: white check mark, Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless online gaming. White check mark, multiple USB ports for peripherals and accessories. White check mark, included keyboard and mouse to get you started right away. White check mark, Windows 11 pre-installed for the latest OS experience. Bullseye, final verdict: is the MSI Aegis Z2 worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful, future-proof gaming desktop that delivers top-tier performance without breaking the bank, the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop is an excellent investment. With its Ryzen 7700 CPU, RTX 4060 GPU, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD, it handles gaming, streaming, and creative workloads like a champ. Fire, pros. Black check mark, powerful AMD Ryzen 7700 processor. Black check mark, RTX 4060 for smooth gaming and ray tracing. Black check mark, fast DDR5 RAM for better performance. Black check mark, 1TB SSD for quick load times. Black check mark, DIY friendly for future upgrades. Black check mark, comes with a keyboard and mouse. Warning sign, cons. Minus sign, no HDD for additional storage, but expandable. Minus sign, some users might prefer 32GB RAM for heavy multitasking. Trophy, rating, 9.5/10, highly recommended. Don't wait. Check the link below for the best deals on the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop and upgrade your gaming experience today.